Hey, what's up guys? So, I am back. I was gone for all of December, pretty much just out traveling and spending time with family for the holidays. Just recently got back to Seattle and it snowed yesterday, so everybody's been out playing in the snow. But I'm kind of eager to get back into the swing of things. So to start things off as far as videos, let's start off with an update that Radenso just released for the Radenso Pro M. It's firmware version US19. Now, this new firmware update, like the custom installed RCM, the Pro M now has 15 unique different alert tones that you can set for any of the different radar or laser alerts. Here's just a quick run through of all the different alerts that are available now. Now, all these different alert tones, you can set them for X-band, K-band, Ka-band, MRCD, as well as MRCT, GATSO, as well as for laser. Now, what I like about having these new alert tones is the fact that I've never been a huge fan of the default alert tone, specifically for K-band and Ka-band. And so now we have the ability to change them and also have a bunch of different other ones. I'm not really sure yet which ones are my favorite. I'm still kind of experimenting with it. And I also find it pretty helpful to maybe have the voice turned on to maybe speak the bands while I'm kind of getting used to the new alert tones that I'm not really familiar with yet. But it's nice to see that Radenso has addressed one of, well, my biggest concerns with the Detector is the fact that the alert tones weren't all that great. Again, I'm still kind of figuring out which ones I like best, and I'm curious to hear from you guys who also have a Pro M or even an RCM. Once you have a little time to spend, playing with the Detector and the new alert tones, which ones are you guys deciding on for K-band, Ka-band, maybe unique MRCD tones, etc. I'm curious to hear which ones you guys like. But anyway, yeah, that's really the only change for the Pro M. There's a bunch of other stuff and videos that I want to shoot, and I just get back in the swing of things. I wanted to do a quick kind of short video, get this one uploaded, and get back into making videos. So yeah, excited to spend more time playing with radar detectors, playing in the snow in the free time. It's my daughter's first day at daycare today, so that's a big deal. So a lot of stuff, I guess, going on. But anyways, if you'd like to download the update, I'll put the link in the video description as far as where you can go to download the latest update for your Pro M or your RCM, has the alert tones as well as the discussion on RDF and all the relevant details and information you guys need to know down in the video description as always. So with that said, I hope you guys are doing well. Looking forward to getting back into the swing of things, talking into cameras and hanging out with you guys here. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.